Welcome to Presco. I'm your host, BiznessPres, and today we're diving into the daily trend. So take a quick look at Bitcoin, but again, it's not doing a lot. It's still trending sideways. We had this bullish engulfing, all right, on the 21. That was a good sign. If we're trying to draw a pattern through the closes, there might be something like a bit of a triangle there, but I don't know. Going off the candles is not a lot. There's not a lot to go off. So we look at the indicators, and like I said, it's pulling back to that 50. It's looking to get supported here and go up. And as we can see on the MACD, oh no, it just looked a bit better. No, I was thinking that this blue line was rounding off, but I'll probably do that when we get to the neutral zone. Look for that to be support, as well as the 50, and we'll just continue up from there. Now that's the big picture. You can see we flipped bearish trend, and we're just doing a retest. But the most bullish thing I see is the moving averages. We're holding above the 200 moving average, and look what's about to happen here with the 50. It's about to cross, about to get a golden cross. See this little cross here? Make it a bit bigger. Oh no, that's on the 50 and the 21, don't mind me. But yeah, that's just as good. But when we get this cross below, and now it's coming to cross up, as long as we've got momentum on our side, should have some bullish price action. And I see no reason why not. All right, let's just have a look at Solana. Oh my goodness, this thing is still going. It's still breaking out of all-time highs. In fact, look, come down to the 60, we're about to cross up. That's a buy signal. I don't care how overpriced we are, I'm going to put a trade on that. So here we've got Bybit, and Bybit is phenomenal. They just got a bunch of new coins. Theta, Tron, Compound, XLM. They just got a whole bunch of new coins. And you see it there, Solana. Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So this is leverage trading. If you're interested, I do have links in the website. I haven't really gone into leverage trading. So here's what you can do. You're anticipating a breakout, right? You go your long position. All right, so we're risking 3% at the moment. Underneath the first support. But, I mean, look, we were coming up, and then we made this pattern on the support here, and then we flipped up and over it. So leverage trading is risky. See, that's only 8% there, but if you're doing 10x, it's 80%. You know, so yeah, you might catch the wave. You don't want to risk too much. Here's where you got to have your risk reward and everything really figured out. That divergence played out, we come down, we come back up, we got retested, and off we go. I mean, it looks good, but I might just hold it there. But that's an impulse, that's an emotional trade. I've done too many of them and it's just cost me. You know, there's no point. There's no point. All right, you look at how I set up XLM when it first came out in the platform. All right, see we have, this is still the 5-minute chart, so let's get right away from the 5-minute chart. But see, we had the uptrend, we come down, we made like a bullish head and shoulders and flipped it as support. And here we are sitting on the 50, waiting to make moves. And you see this happened around the 50, and then we went into this territory. And here's my stop loss. And they could come a bit higher now. I'm just leaving it past there. I might even bring it up to break even. But I captured the majority of this swing. I scaled in, at the bottom here. It was actually about here. I bought more as we went up. That's why my average price come up. But yeah, if we flip this level and we go from here, like, that's looking good. That's looking good. So with leverage positions, I like to build them up. I like to scale in. I like to take it seriously because you can lose a lot of money really fast, and I don't like to do that. So yeah, keep emotions out of it. That's why I built the system the way I built the system. Alright, so emotions will be out of it. But look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. You see we had this big bottom. And we break into positive territory. We come back, we retested the signal line, and we just destroyed it. As you can see on the RSI, we come up. And you know me, when we're hitting these kind of territories, we're making profits because we're in profits. And as you see on the first one, we come up, we come down, tested some support on the RSI, and that's all we need. And we got going again. We barely found the exponential moving average. You know, like, this is just what we can see from altcoins now. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Because this was a 5x from the bottom. 5x returns. Absolutely insane. But that's enough of the hopium. Alright, that's what Bitcoin's doing. It's looking bullish. Solana's looking bullish. Ethereum's been bullish. And it's looking like it's going to continue. Oh, juicy. I'm going to increase my Ethereum position. Okay, I've been building this up for a while. I've taken profits. I had it over $20 position at 10x, so that's like a $200 position. And I'm seeing what I need to see now. Yeah, we're coming over the 50. We're up in here. This is only on the 15 minute, but I've been watching this for a long time. See, yeah. We might keep going, we might not. But you know, this is, my stop loss is break even now. So I can move my stop loss up to capture profits if it goes against me. And I can also buy this position here, and it'll only increase my average buy-in a little bit. Let me show you what I mean. Go to market, increase it by 10%, and bang, that's where it's come up right here. Okay, because I went from $2 to $20. All right, so I'm going to protect that position with my stop loss, and I'm going to put it, that's very close right there. Let's zoom in. Sorry guys, it's a bit hard. Very close right there, you know. It's a pretty key level, so I might just put my stop loss down here, you know. And before, if price was to come down towards my entry price here, I'd just be losing on profits. But now, because my entry price is up so high, if it goes against me, I'm actually losing Ethereum in my Ethereum position. So I'm going to be watching this. It's breaking out. It's looking juicy. It's looking very juicy. So now I'm confident that I'm going to protect that $20 with a very tight stop loss. All right. Now remember, this is a 10x position. So from my buy price to my stop loss price, it's 1%. With 10x, that's actually like 12%. So I'm going to lose 12% of my $20 position if I get stopped out here. So essentially, I'm risking $2 and potentially able to capture this entire wave up. Imagine if it does what Solana did, or what ADA did, you know? And this is what I've been doing. I've been watching it, been playing it. Interesting things going on in the market. Now, obviously, if we get rejected here, there are some warning signs. Shouldn't go chasing this too heavy. Where we are now, we're kind of sitting on the, yeah, I mean, don't want to argue too much in the bull's favor. Look how far away from support we are, you know. We can easily see it drop down and come and test this level again. And that's why I got my stop so tight, all right? Whereas before, I had bought in here. I rode all these waves up. I took my position, my profits, and some off the table to capture the gains. And I left a couple bucks in to see what would happen. Looks like we found support and we're going to continue. It's great. So that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ripple. Ripple's making this bull flag. Okay, it looks like it's breaking out. We're getting across. Let's get up the important one there. Now, if we're below this, we're in a bear market, we're looking for shorts. If we're above this, we're in a bull market looking for longs. So we're clearly above it. It's supporting the bull flag right now. So even if XRP were to come down and retest this bottom one more time, yes, a 14% pullback, but in my eyes, that's a fantastic buying opportunity. Will we get it? Probably not. But I'm looking to make a serious long with leverage if we see that and it's coming down to the 50 and it's looking bullish. We look at the MACD, we're in positive territory and we're trending up. Now for the FUD. Now for the bad news, guys, the bad news. I've been seeing on some headlines that Uniswap here is going to get into a little bit of trouble from the SEC. Now Uniswap looks bullish. All right, this looks great. This looks phenomenal. This looks like it might take off and keep going. All right, we're about to get the cross, the golden cross, bullish cross. We've seen we make this W pattern, all right, underneath the moving average, and then it's come over and it's flipped it for support, and it's making the bull flag same as XRP. Like a lot of things, it's looking bullish. It's looking very, very, very bullish. But we've got some FUD in terms of the SEC case. Now, the SEC is looking to make some regulations. And all that means is we've got to be on watch. So the SEC sued Ripple last year. And what we've seen after that lawsuit was a major, major, major capitulation, even below supports. So we're seeing this level, we were trending in this level for so long at the start of the bull market. This is a huge level. Now that looks really messy. Let me out. There we are. So that was a previous bull run. Okay, you can see we're not even there. Not even there, not even close. We're setting up for it. Juicy. And the XRP's already been through all the FUD. It's been through the SEC case. Jay Clayton out of nowhere comes and says, yeah, we're suing you for such and such, and we've just started the bull run. We've just started to double our position and double our profits, and then the SEC case come out about here, and we had over a 50% correction. That's huge. But then what happens? All right, we bottomed on support. Sorry, let's get rid of a few of these lines. We bottom on support. That's better. All right, we bottom on support. And we're underneath the 50, but we flip it nearly straight away. And as soon as we do, we see what happens. This is our recent high. This is our local top. And then we come all the way down into the buy zone again. And we're making that rounded bottom. So after the SEC case, it's not going to matter too much. The fundamentals will play out. The technicals will play out. But during that time, there was a lot of FUD in the market. Everyone thought this thing was going to zero. Everyone thought this thing was going well below the COVID. This is just so crazy. And I myself got caught up in it. I didn't really know what to do. I didn't know what moves I could make. The suck part is I could have sold a lot here and bought it back for 50% cheaper. I could have doubled my bags. So don't get scared. Just be aware. All right. We'll play volatility. If price goes down, you can make money on it. We'll bring up Bybit. You can long, you can short. Short means you're betting against the price. You're betting that the price goes down. So if you can make money when it goes up, if you can make money when it goes down, it pays to know that. That's leverage trading. This is investing. This is you buy and profit if it goes up, and that's about it. So what you can do, right, is you use the capital. Let's go back here. All right, let's say you got 1,000 XRP. All right, you see this, yeah, great. Let's start to take some profits. Why? Because even without the FUD, look what's going on here on the RSI, you know. We're coming down to the 50 and we broke it. We broke it because of that SEC case, but it's still showing up on the charts, right? And then what do we get here? We don't get a higher high. And what do we see on price? We see price can't break out past the previous high. So by the third touch, there on the RSI, by the third touch, you know, you could at least take some profits, take half of it out, you know, and then even if you buy back there, that's 20% cheaper. That's a huge swing. All right, yeah, CoinSpot doesn't have the best split and their fees aren't great, but you can still accumulate more. But then when we get the bearish retest, I mean, you can sell more, buy more back here if you know how to read the language of the charts. It's very lucrative, very, very lucrative. You can make a lot of money going up, but you can also earn a big position going down. So yeah, that's the opportunity that we have. I'm starting to rant, so I'll cut it short. But essentially, if Uniswap cannot hold this support, I'm going to sell and bet against it. Okay? If Uniswap here just decides, no, we're not holding support, and we're going to come and retest it, then after we retest it, we're going to come down, find this support. We're not going to like it either. So we're going to bounce, and then we're going to come. If that's what Uniswap wants to do, and we've seen how quickly it can happen in XRP, like this is only a couple of days. A week. Took a week to lose 50% value. And it took another week to bottom out. You know, you can take your money out and you put in something else. Not in Solana. The gain's already there. You know, what are you chasing? But yeah, I'm just bringing it to your attention. I'll keep my eyes on it. I wouldn't go necessarily accumulating this position, even if it looks bullish. Uniswap's part of DeFi, like there's other things. There's Compound, there's Aave, there's a lot of other things. So yeah, we'll just have to watch and see how it goes. But look, this can be the next theme for a little bit, you know. There was talks about ADA getting regulated. There was talks about now Uniswap, you know. Who knows? Regulations are going to be big. They're going to get in the way, one way or another. For the XRP guys, we might have first move advantage of this. Not only did we have the lawsuit, but we're killing it. Like, we're going to win. So who knows what's going to happen, but I'm just throwing it out there. Yes, we can continue. We're on support. Yes, we can continue. Bullish scenario. Bearish scenario, we could fall. We could fall 60%. So I'm not trying to scare anyone. I'm just trying to make people aware, you know. Even if you have some, you want to flip this, okay? Take half out. Let it drop. Put it back in. You've got more. You know? So I'm going to leave it there. Oh, no, I'm not. Uniswap BTC. So on the Jupiter pendulum, yeah, I mean, we're looking good. We're looking good. Price action's looking great. Uniswap BTC is similar. We might actually take off here. I don't know about you, but oh, get out of the way. I don't know about you, but I see a little triangle breakout there. Potential. Yeah, if we're watching some of these other Bitcoin pairs. Who's ETH BTC? Yeah. Anyway, looking at some of these other Bitcoin pairs, I mean, they're looking good. XRP is looking like it's ready to take off. You know, much like the other stuff. All right, guys. That's it for me. I was supposed to be keeping it short from now on, but I can't help myself. So yeah, market's still looking good, but there is a bit of FUD. All right. I hope it helps. Have a good day. Happy hunting. I'm BiznessPres. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.